Oh, what's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be doing a simple install on some fender emblems for Six Snake. I'll give him a tag inside the video. We're doing these Streets Illust badges for him. They're pretty cool. So what you're going to start with is you're going to remove these letters. I guess alphanumeric characters, because there's letters and numbers. So remove these. Set these aside. So what you're going to do is, first step is to remove the backing of these. So make sure you got yourself a sharp X-Acto knife and stick them down on a clean surface near you. These aren't really too hard to install. They're actually pretty basic. I just have them here, so I figured I would do a video for you guys and show you how easy they really are to install. You don't need a 3M wipe for these guys. They will just go on no problem. So once you have those done, take yourself a cleaning wipe, which we provide inside the package, and give your emblems a nice little wipe down. Now, this is going to be a little bit different to install because they're not on a vehicle for me. I've only ever installed them on a vehicle itself, so have to be a little bit more careful here. Let that dry. Make sure everything's nice and clean so you can have those adhere properly. You can also give it after that, just give it a quick one of those with a clean microfiber or whatever you have available that's clean and doesn't leave fibers. So you're going to take your F, and you're going to carefully position it like so. Making sure that you've got equal on that side, equal on this side, equal on that side. You basically want to line this little line up to that so everything kind of matches. Then everything else is pretty simple. There you go. One's on there. So now for like the 5, you'd line up the bottom, this bottom piece right here. You line it up with here in the middle. Not pushing down yet. Once you have the bottom in place, kind of set it down. Put the top on like that. Apply some good pressure. See? Now we got that. Now all we have to do, be careful when you put the 0 on, because if you notice the 0, the lines are cut different corners. So make sure that it's the right way. Typically the pointed corner goes to the top. So how we do that one is just look at the bottom line the top. Boom. So there's those guys. That actually looks really clean just the way it is. Then we stick this Streets Illest badge. Line it up to your corner right here. Make sure everything lines up. And that's it. She is installed. So again, if your emblems get all kind of like fingerprinty and stuff and you get some stuff on them, do not wash your car right away, or your truck, pardon me. Let it sit. You can get this kind of the fingerprint stuff afterwards. Even if you have some of the 3M bonding wipe, like if you get the ovals, don't try to wipe it off right away. Just let the emblems adhere properly and then just wipe everything off when you're done. I'll do the other set just because it actually doesn't really take too long to do. But yeah, see, no overhanging. It all in there sits nice and clean and flush on the edges. No overlap. Same with the one. Right? You want to make sure that it's nice and level and equal with the sides. Same with the top here. Everything's nice and straight. You don't have to worry about it being crooked. So let's just do the next set.